et descente du grand bras.
You keep lying when you ought to be truthing. And you keep losing when you ought to not bet.
Mise en place du chauffeur, position
You
intermédiaire.
keep saving when you ought to be changing. Now what's right is right, but you ain't been right yet. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they're.
Levez les grands bras.
One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you.
Mise en place du chauffeur.
You keep playing where you
Sur la
should
lignée
be
du chauffeur,
playing.
messieurs, dames. Réalignement.
And you keep thinking that you'll never get burned. Ha! I just found me a brand new box of matches. Yeah.
Goupillage.
And what he knows you ain't had time to learn.
Goupillage, branchement du phare et retrait du chariot.
Made for walking, and that's just what they'll do.
Retrait du chariot.
These boots are gonna walk all over you.
Levez les grands bras. Par derrière, le chariot par derrière.
Are you
Sur sa
ready?
blotte.
Start walking.
Confirmation de la position, monsieur en robe.
Gaat dat niet onderdoor onder deze straat onder alle bomen? De motor, hè? Dat is goed.
Bridage à l'ancileuse, monsieur Théo.
You keep saying you got something for me.
Dégoupillage des biceps et poignets.
Verrassend dichtbij. RTV